Hello, I'm going to show you how to create content within a module in D2L Brightspace. First, let's go ahead and launch the course. Once we've launched the course, we're going to go ahead to the nav bar and find content and click on that. Here you can see the modules we previously created. In this case, I'm going to add content to week number 1. I'm going to go ahead and hit new. And then you can see you have a variety of different options to choose from. In this case, I'm going to create a file. So here we've created a file. You can give it a meaningful name. I'm just going to go ahead and call it test file. And now here's the HTML editor. So you could type directly into this, but instead it's recommended to copy and paste. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste some material I already had ready in a Word document. And then it's there. So at this point, you can use the tools in the HTML editor, such as all of the different formatting tools you see here, and you can go ahead and create it exactly how you want. So as you can see, I changed a few things. I gave it a little bit more of a bold title, and now I'm going to go ahead and add some media. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this image, and I'm going to insert an image. Now you can insert it a couple of different ways. I'm going to go ahead and upload from my computer. So once I've uploaded my image, this little box pops up for alternative text. This is just to help anybody with disabilities to be able to access your content. So you just need a short description. The only reason you would not need this is if the image was decorative. So I'll go ahead and hit OK. And then here it is. Now, if I want it to be centered differently, I can go ahead and adjust that. But once I have it to my liking, I'm going to hit save and close. And there you can see my test file. So I'll just go ahead and do a quick quality check. Go back to content, modules, and there you can see my week 1 file. And that's how you create content on D2L Brightspace.